With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question says, which of the following are critical elements necessary for plant growth? Okay. Given options are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and manganese, iron, and copper. Okay. So we know that besides water and sunlight, plants also need several nutrients to grow. And where do they take those nutrients from? From the soil. All right. Now, critical elements means that over here means that the major elements that are required or that are necessary for the plant growth. Okay. So now let's look at all the minerals over here and the work they do. Okay. So if we talk about carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So let's start with the carbon over here. So it forms the backbone, okay, and it helps in production of protein, starch, and cellulose. Okay. Now, if we talk about hydrogen over here, so hydrogen helps to drive, ETS, that is electron transport system, all right, in the photosynthesis. In photosynthesis. Now, if we talk about oxygen, so they are involved in cellular respiration. Okay. Now, these three that are given in option number 1, they are not related directly to plant growth. Okay. Not related directly to plant growth. Okay. Moving on to option number 2, that is calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, right? Calcium, it does not help in growth, okay, and it is involved in cell formation. Okay, it is involved in cell wall formation, sorry, not cell formation, cell wall formation. Okay. If we talk about magnesium, so it is the component of chlorophyll. All right. And its function is to absorb sunlight. Okay. All right. Now, if we talk about sulfur, so sulfur helps in formation of protein, enzyme, vitamin, and chlorophyll. Okay. And chlorophyll. Okay. So this is also not directly involved in the plant growth. So this also becomes incorrect option, right? Now, if we discuss option number 3, that is nitrogen, which is major component of chlorophyll. And we know that chlorophyll helps in the photosynthesis, right? If we talk about phosphorus, which is a major component of DNA and RNA. And if we talk about potassium, so it plays role in ATP and it regulates rate of photosynthesis. Okay, so option number 3 is involved, or it helps in plant growth. Like these 3 nutrients, they help in plant growth. If we talk about option number 4, that has manganese. Okay, so manganese is a micronutrient in cell wall. Iron, which is helpful in DNA and chlorophyll synthesis, but again it's a micronutrient. Okay, and copper, which is used in lignin synthesis. So these 3 nutrients are micronutrients that are present in plants, and they do not regulate the growth, or they are not very necessary for the plant growth, right? Like they are not directly connected to the plant growth. Okay, so now as we discussed that nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus are the micronutrients, or sorry, are the elements that are necessary for plant growth. So that makes our option number 3 the correct option over here. I hope I have solved the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.